India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students aspiring to build a career in the hospitality and food service industry, CTS offers the trade of food production, general, from hotels and restaurants to catering services and food production units. Skilled food production professionals play a vital role in preparing quality food while maintaining hygiene and safety standards. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant kitchen equipment, tools, and real training kitchen environments. Students learn food preparation techniques, bakery and cooking basics, kitchen operations, food safety and hygiene practices, menu planning, ingredient handling, presentation methods, and practical troubleshooting through industry-standard equipment and workshop-based training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across 5-star hotels and resort chains, restaurants and quick service outlets, airline and railway catering units, hospital and institutional canteens, cruise liners, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.